Accidentally deleted your photos on Android? Don't worry, you can still recover them. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to recover deleted photos on your Android phone quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the trash/recycle bin. First, open your gallery app, look for trash or recycle bin. Most Android phones keep deleted photos for up to 30 days. Select the photos you want and tap Restore. Step 2. Restore from Cloud Backup. If you don't find your photos in the trash, check cloud backup apps like Google Photos. Open the app and go to the Library tab, tap on Trash. If your photos are there, select them and tap Restore. Step 3. Check File Manager. Sometimes photos are still stored on your device. Open your File Manager or use Files by Google. Go to DCIM folder, Pictures folder, Downloads. Look for hidden or recently deleted files. Step 4. Use photo recovery apps. The photos are not in trash or backup, you can try recovery apps. Search for photo recovery apps on the Play Store. These apps scan your device for deleted files and may help you recover them. Stop using your phone immediately after deleting photos. New data can overwrite deleted files, making recovery impossible. Step 5. Check external storage. If you use an SD card, remove it and check it separately. Insert it into another device or computer and look for your photos. Step 6. Prevent future loss. To avoid losing photos again, enable automatic backup in Google Photos. Regularly backup files. Avoid deleting important files without checking. And that's how to recover deleted photos on Android. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. Check out the next video for more Android tips.